cursive lowercase l. The lowercase l follows the lowercase e because the same pattern is used with undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve. The only difference is that you have to make sure that you start at your base and you're going to end up going all the way to the top line. It's sort of an elongated E. So again, we have undercurve coming all the way to the top line, loop back, slant, undercurve. Undercurve, loop back, slant, undercurve. You want to make sure that you don't separate your L too early. What I mean by that is making a very small loop at top and then coming down. Do you notice that really wide gap? You don't want to do that. So you want to elongate your L as much as possible. Here's the word tell. T-E-L. L, cross your T. Again, as I've mentioned, the E and the L are very, very similar in how you form your letters. We have the word little. L, I, T, the T is much like the I, T, L, E. Come back, cross your T, dot your I. Let. L, E, T, all the way to the top, retrace, cross your T. Lit. L, I, T. Cross your T, dot your I.